More evidence of red tide. You can see fish floating on the top. Big old pinfish. I'm with Hank in Boca Ciega Bay. We're going out fishing today, and red tide is definitely here. Made it in through John's Pass, and there's just hundreds of fish along the shoreline, dead everywhere. The smell is pretty intense, and it's just a shame to see all these fish floating out in the center and along the shorelines, and some big fish, some small fish, and everything in between. Loads of fish all over the shore through here. All over the place. The smell is pretty intense from all the fish breaking down. This is what red tide does to Pinellas County. Little fish, just layered in there like cordwood. I don't know if you can see the fish along the shoreline underneath the mangroves, just floating on the surface dead, but there's quite a few of them, and it's a shame to see. So if you're looking to go fishing down around Boca Ciega Bay or John's Pass, I would recommend not, because there's nothing alive here. Everything's dead. Haven't even really seen any bait fish. There's a couple of pockets where we saw a little bit of bait fish, but that was about it. And we saw some dolphins pass through, and hopefully they're not affected by this, because that would be a shame. There's quite a few of them, so they might just be trying to look for something to eat and try to get out of this red tide. There's a big old jet crevalle dead laying on the bottom. More evidence of red tide. You can see fish floating on the top. Big old pinfish. Thanks for watching More Approved. If you are out fishing, definitely stay clear of Boca Ciega Bay near John's Pass in Pinellas County. The red tide is definitely taking its toll. So thanks for watching, everyone, and take care.